In this video, I'm going to be doing a side-by-side comparison between our H&P notebook as well as our 8.5 by 11 inch H&P notebook. And so first things out the bat, they're very similar. They're almost identical. The only difference is that this one's going to be 5.5 by 8.5 inches and this one's going to be about 8.5 by 11 inches. So I'll show you what that looks like right here. This one's going to be able to fit in our white coat pocket, but unfortunately this larger one is not. And really what it was designed for is we wanted something that could fit a little bit more information. People who had bigger handwriting were saying that they couldn't fit all of the information in these little boxes, but we wanted to still have it be on 2 pages. So the only way to do that was to make the notebook a little bit bigger. And the benefit of having it on 2 pages is that when you're taking notes, for example, when you're having a history of a patient, you can kind of take it like that, and then when you go to the next side, when you get to the physical exam or the labs, you can just flip it over. So it's a lot more convenient. And so that's kind of how we broke it down like this. If we do a side-by-side comparison, we'll see that each of the boxes are going to be a little bit bigger, and also the font is going to be a little bit bigger as well. So HPI is maybe about 3 inches here, and it's about 4 inches here. So it gives you a little bit more room. Same thing with the assessment plan. It's going to be a significant more amount of information that you can fit in here, especially if you have larger handwriting. So you kind of pick and choose which one is more beneficial for you. If you need something that is going to fit in your white coat pocket, unfortunately this one's not going to do it. But also, if you're just going to be taking it around with you, this one's going to work perfectly fine. Be sure to check out our website, MedicalBasics.com, for more educational resources like our progress notebook, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and lessons.